I'm going to tell you about 3 beautiful houseplants that can pump plenty of fresh, healthy oxygen into your rooms. Windowsills are perfect for houseplants, bright light coming through, and the light is used by the plants along with carbon dioxide and water. And this is a process called photosynthesis, where plants produce energy for themselves to grow. But the byproduct is, as humans benefit from, they push out fresh oxygen. And us humans love and need it. In fact, a lot of the oxygen that we take in helps our body and our brain too. So the more plants you have in a room, the more plentiful the oxygen. So they're really healthy to have indoors. Now, the different varieties I've got here all have unique abilities. The Calathea in the middle is a typical popular houseplant, mainly for its foliage, much as rubber plants or cheese plants, and they produce plenty of fresh oxygen during the day. Now, the Guzmania here, member of the bromeliad family, it holds on to the oxygen during the day, and as its pores open, the stomata on the undersides of the leaf, it releases the oxygen at night. So, produces oxygen in the day, produces oxygen at night. So if you've got rooms that you spend late into the evening, this is a pretty good plant to have, or even a bedroom as well where you sleep. Now the orchid on the other side is incredibly efficient at producing oxygen as well. You get the beauty of the flowers pumping out fresh oxygen to breathe. Now the magic of growing houseplants is to make sure they get plenty of light for this photosynthesis. And my Everest windows here, I can open the windows up, so not only do they get the sunlight, they also get some fresh air during the spring and summer. And during the winter, I close them and there's 0 drafts, so the plants are in the ideal position to grow. And of course, plenty of light coming through as well. That also helps them perform their best, not only producing energy for themselves, but producing oxygen for us. For more information on houseplants and growing in your own home, just follow the link below.